No one really tells you this, but creating a complete website for free with AI isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build websites with old school drag and drop editors, and it was literally exhausting. I spent hours moving blocks around and nothing looked the way I wanted. And the worst part wasn't even the time. It was that feeling of constantly second guessing every decision, wondering if I was doing something wrong or if websites were just supposed to be that frustrating to make. It felt like no matter how much effort I put in, the result never matched the vision I had in my head. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional website online for free using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy, and yes, how free, this is. The link to Hostinger is in the description, but there's no special discount. Just the program itself. And it's free to start. And honestly, once you see how smooth this process is, you'll realize that building a website doesn't have to feel like a chore. It can actually feel exciting, fast, and even a little addictive in the best way. Step 1. Sign up and access Horizons, AI tool for free. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started with Hostinger's Horizons AI tool and seeing how fast you can launch your first website? All for free. This is the moment where everything starts to click, because instead of feeling overwhelmed, you're finally stepping into something that feels simple and doable. When I signed up for Hostinger and opened Horizons, I literally had my first website project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how simple the dashboard was. No scary menus, just a big Create Website button. And the best part? It was all free. There was no moment of hesitation, no confusing setup, no pressure, just a clean, welcoming interface that made me feel like I actually knew what I was doing from the start. First, we start by going to the Hostinger website and clicking Get Started. Then, create your account and log in. Next, on your dashboard, find the Horizons section in the left menu. After that, click Horizons, and you'll see a bright Try Now button. Click it. Now, you're in the AI chat interface, ready to build your website for free. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI Builder is totally free to start, and you can play around with as many website ideas as you want before you ever publish anything. No credit card needed, no hidden fees. That means you can experiment without pressure, try different concepts, explore different styles, and really get comfortable before committing to anything. But the real game changer is how Hostinger's AI helps you design your website in seconds. Still for free. It removes that heavy feeling of, where do I even begin? And replaces it with something that feels intuitive and almost effortless. Step 2. Describe your website to the AI and customize. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Telling the AI exactly what you want and watching it do the heavy lifting, all for free. This is where it starts to feel almost unreal because instead of building everything piece by piece, you're simply describing your idea and watching it come to life. When I typed, I want a modern landing page for a new fitness app with a sign-up form and testimonials into the AI, it literally built the whole page for me. I was like, wait, this is a game changer. And yes, I did all of this without paying a cent. Seeing something that matched my vision appear so quickly made me realize how powerful this tool really is. First, in the AI chat, describe your website's purpose in 1 or 2 sentences. For create a landing page for my online course with a hero section, benefits, and a sign-up form. Then let the AI generate the layout, colors, and even sample text. Next, preview the design and ask the AI to make changes, like add a pricing section or change the color to blue. After that, you can regenerate the design as many times as you want until you're totally happy, all for free. Click on any text element to edit it with your real content. Upload your own photos by clicking on Image Placeholders. Adjust colors using the simple color picker tools. Add or remove sections as needed using Hostinger's drag and drop interface. And what makes this part even better is how natural it feels to refine your site. You're not locked into anything. You can tweak, adjust, and experiment until it truly feels like yours. Whether you want something clean and minimal or something bold and colorful, the process stays simple the entire time. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI can even suggest headlines. calls to action, and color palettes that match your vibe. If you want a super cute look, just say so in your prompt. And yes, you're still not paying anything for these features. It's like having a creative partner that understands your direction and helps you execute it instantly. But the real magic is how easy it is to publish and share your website with the world for free. Because at this point, you're not just building, you're getting ready to actually launch something real. Step 3. Publish and share your website for free. Now here comes my favorite finishing part. Publishing your website and sharing it with friends, family, or even customers, all for free. This is the moment where everything becomes real, where your idea turns into something you can actually show people. When I clicked Publish, Hostinger literally gave me a working website link in under a minute. I was totally obsessed. I sent it to my friends and they could use it right away on their phones. And yes, my site was live for free. That instant result is something that feels incredibly satisfying, especially after seeing how quickly everything came together. First, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Then, choose your website's privacy settings, public or private. Next, copy the website link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. After that, share your website link on social media, in your email signature, or with anyone you want. You can always go back and update your website. Just click Edit, make changes, and hit Publish again. And what's really reassuring is knowing that you're never stuck. You can keep improving your site anytime. Whether you want to update text, swap images, or try a completely new layout, it's always just a few clicks away. And remember, all of this is free with Hostinger's Horizons AI tool. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger websites are instantly mobile-friendly, so you don't have to worry about different phone sizes or browsers. It's literally one click and your site works everywhere, still for free. That means no extra effort, no extra stress, just a site that looks good no matter where it's viewed. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. And yes, it's all free. If you hired a professional web designer, $3,000 to $10,000. If you learned traditional web design, 6 to 12 months of classes and practice. With Hostinger's Horizons AI, less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, actually it's free, and you can have your site live in a weekend. And when you really think about it, that difference isn't just about money. It's about time, energy, and how quickly you can move on your ideas. But what if I'm not creative? The AI literally does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. What if I don't know what sections I need? Hostinger's AI suggests the best structure based on real websites. Will my site look generic? Nope. You can customize every detail and the AI adapts to your brand. Is this really beginner-friendly? Totally. If you can drag and drop, you can build a site with this. And yes, it's free. Imagine this. You have an idea, a vision, something you've been wanting to share with the world. Maybe it's a portfolio, a passion project, or even your very first business. Now imagine that instead of waiting months and dealing with endless back and forth with developers, your website is live in just a few hours. Yes, hours. That's the kind of instant result we're talking about. And the best part? You get to be the one to share it. Show off your brand new site to your friends, your family, even future clients. With pride because you made it happen. Oh, and let's talk about the financial side. Normally, a custom website can cost you thousands in design and development. But here, you're saving all of that because the core of this is completely free. No hidden fees, no surprise bills, just you and your creativity. And speaking of creativity, this is your space to express your vision with zero stress. No complicated code, no technical headaches. Just pure, joyful creation. You get to build something that truly feels like you. So, are you ready to build your own website the smart way? Not the hard way. The smart, simple, fun way. All you have to do is click the link in the description to try Hostinger for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. It's really that easy. And hey, you don't have to do it alone. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, share your wins, and let's grow together. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. I've got so many more ideas to share with you. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.